Hello and welcome to Blue Monkey Languages. Today we will talk about daily routine. Let's begin. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I go swimming at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. I drive to work arriving by 9 a.m. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I finish work at 5 in the afternoon. I meet friends in the pub at 5:30 p.m. I then go back home and eat dinner at 8 p.m. I go to bed around midnight. Brilliant. Let's repeat. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I go swimming at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. I drive to work arriving by 9 a.m. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I finish work at 5 in the afternoon. I meet friends in the pub at 5:30 p.m. I then go back home and eat dinner at 8 p.m. I go to bed around midnight. Brilliant. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to click on the link below for your exercises. Bye bye.